Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera everyone. Welcome to a series of lectures on artificial neural networks. I plan to continue the lecture from last time where we talk about backpropagation. By the way, the intention of these lectures is to focus on the more application side of artificial neural network. Because so far we have looked at the fundamentals, the concept behind the inner workings of artificial neural network. So we look at the problem of curve fitting before and then derive how we can solve the problem using artificial neural network. First of all, we solve this squares regression using polynomial, if you recall. And then for the case of artificial neural network, we look at the basic structure from the module where we look at single hidden layer, multi-layer perceptron, and we derive the backpropagation algorithm. So luckily in the literature there are so many functions or toolbox that you can use, so you don't have to write your own code. These are all being implemented internally if you just use the codes. Although in the appendix for this module I have provided some code snippets if you want to try and implement it in MATLAB. So how can we implement the artificial neural network concepts to solve some problems? In reality, we need to move on from just this simple structure, because we are going to look at deep learning, and it will be very tedious if you have to code it from scratch. So the idea is, after this I will show you the implementation of the concepts that we have studied before using Python and Google Colab. By the way, you are still responsible to understand the concept of backpropagation as has been shown in the examples. Okay, you need to know the idea of, for example, how we can write the update rule for any weights in an MLP structure. So make sure you know how to do that, which is important for the tests and exams. But for the case of your assignment and in real life, basically, the fundamentals that have been learned will help you to tune, to design your network structure based on the problem that you encounter in real life. So if you know how much data that you have, if you are doing classification or regression problems, this require different set of parameters. So how many neurons that you want to use, how many layers, all this has been addressed in the lecture before. So in the next lecture I will focus on how we can implement and solve some of the problems using Python. So thank you very much.